correct. Okay. The next question says, a surplus of a product will arise when price is blank, right? And so a surplus is when quantity supplied is greater than quantity demanded. We can draw this out on a graph. So we have our demand curve, our supply curve, and this is our equilibrium point, right? And so this is where the quantity demanded would be equal quantity supplied. And surplus, let's mark this, would be where quantity supplied is greater than quantity demanded, not at this equilibrium point. So we would actually expect it to be somewhere like this, right? At a higher price level, we would have this quantity would be quantity supplied, and then this quantity over here would be quantity demanded, and our surplus is the difference between these two quantities. So the answer to this question then is that a surplus of a product will arise when price is greater than the equilibrium level, right? At any level in which the price is above this equilibrium, P star, you're experiencing a situation where quantity supplied is greater than quantity demanded. Okay, let's now go to the answers given by the previous tutor. The previous tutor says there will be a product surplus when the price is too high. Think about the question. You go to buy something, the price is too high for you to pass. A surplus is up because you don't buy, so quantity supplied is greater than demand for quantity. Whenever demand is less than the amount supplied, you get that surplus. So if equilibrium is equal to quantity supplied is equal to quantity demanded, you raise the price and demand goes down, you get a surplus. So I think this is a pretty scattered answer. We're gonna write a version of this that might more accurately explain what this question is probably trying to say, or what this previous tutor is trying to say. So if we draw out a supply and demand graph, we know that at equilibrium, when supply intersects demand, the quantity supplied is equal to the quantity demanded. For a surplus refers to a situation where quantity supplied exceeds quantity demanded. On the graph, this only occurs at prices higher than the equilibrium price. And we can draw this out and see the price line intersecting both the demand and supply curve to give us this scenario. Okay. I mean, at the end of the day, the solution is correct. We're just going to provide this addendum of what we believe I'm just gonna mark it as incorrect, so I hope that somebody will replace the solution here. So that we can get this more accurate explanation in. Okay.